I am on mute. Sorry. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing great. Once again, welcome to you all. Let me introduce myself to those who came late. Thank you, my co-host. My name is Aminata. I'm a crypto trader and Royal Q user since 2021. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the technical analysis, which is how to analyze. Sorry if I'm speaking the maybe sometimes wrong English because I used to be confused with French. So today we are going to learn the technical analysis. If you are a crypto trader, you need to know how to analyze your your market, the market I mean, and also know how to at least pick your signal so that you know we will not depend on anybody. You have to be free, you have to be independent, so that maybe the person who is giving you signals or the leaders who are giving signals, if the day they can be busy or maybe sick or something can happen to them so that you can do your own. Okay? So uh, if you are a crypto trader, either you are a comfortable trader or a crypto learner, you need to have patience in your trade. When you set your trade, you need to have patience because the patience will lead you to the successful um, results. Okay. Um, Before I start, I want to know whether am I loud and clear, please? If someone can put in the chat, if I'm loud and clear, I want to say it. And you can also introduce yourself and let us know where are you joining us from. Am I loud and clear or I'm still, my mic is still off? My co-host, can you let me know whether I'm loud and clear, please? Okay, thank you. Somebody says I'm clear. Okay, thank you very much. So, uh, please, if I'm out of the Zoom, may you remind me to come back because sometimes it kicks me out. I don't know whether I mistakenly touch where. If I'm late, sorry, if I'm out, may you remind. Thank you. Okay, so let's go. I will share my screen here, and I will go straight to TradingView app, which is an app where we follow the performance of our cryptos, where we follow them, whether they are doing good or doing bad. Okay. So before you trade, before you pick your signal, or even though they send the signal, you have to at least check on your app to at least have some ideas before you take your decision um, to buy the coin. So let me share my screen here. Okay, I'm sharing it and I'm going to my TradingView app. And let me also get what I called my marker. Thank you. So just give me some 1 or 2 minutes for me to get my marker. Great. So let's go. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how it looks like. So if you want to know the settings of TradingView, then you go on the YouTube, our main general YouTube channel, which is called Royal Q Revolution. So there you will see all the settings that our colleagues, which are Leader Mopiwa and Leader Emmanuel, they used to explain how to set it. So if you go there, then you can see the videos there. So if you really need to make money, then you have to, you have to really take it serious because we need money. As far we are alive, we always spend money every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, and every day. Okay, so let's go, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how TradingView looks like. Let me go back to the watch list. This is the watch list. When I type here, you will see that here are the future cryptos, which is the future cryptos, because we have the spot market and the future market. So the future market are with the ones with .p. .p. If you type the name of the coin, then you put .p. .p. Okay. For example, let's say AI. You put USDT and you put .p so that it will show you the name of the coin in each exchange that maybe is available. Okay. So you pick it. You pick it according to your exchange, or you simply pick the one with Binance and you take it. So on the TradingView app, we have what we call the payment version and we have the free version. So with your free version, you can use up to in between 26 and 30 points on the one watch list. Okay, so you can use two watch lists, one side for your feature points and the other side for your spot points. So when you type here, let me type here. I tapped here. Let me go back. Follow my fingers here. I'm explaining it slowly for the new ones. Okay. So when you are on your watch list, you go to this place. It depends on the phone. If it is Android, you can get the three dots here or these three lines. This account is a payment version. So when you get the lines here, you tap on it and it will show you the details of the different watch lists that maybe you can have. You cannot have more than two because it will tell you to pay. So you can explore the two, which is here. You can use here what you see red flag with this red flag here. When I tap on the red flag, you will see that there is a space here where I can add more cryptos, you see. So if you want to add, you tap on symbol. And for example, you can add here, let's say XRP. XRP. Then you put USDT and .p. You see? So when you put it, it will show you the different exchanges here where you can get the XRP. So as Binance is the main exchange, the largest exchange, I always go for Binance Quant. Then you come and take here. You have to take it for it to be added on your list. So when you tick here and you add on your list, maybe you add your 26 or 30 points. The next one that you add, it will bring you to a payment version that will be telling you to upgrade to pay. Don't worry, you come back. So if you put your list of points in favorite, it means anytime you need them, when you come on the red flag, you will get the points that you put there. So if there's no space and maybe you want to check another point and make your entries, then if you type the name of the point, you don't need to tick here, because if you tick here, it will tell you to pay and you cannot continue what you are doing. So you simply tick on the name of the coin. You simply tick on the name of the coin for it to open the chart for you. So I repeat, if you want to add the coin on your list of coins, then you tick here for it to show you that it is ticked. But if you want to check it and there is no space, you want to check another coin, then you type directly on the coin. I hope that is clear for you. Okay, so I take it, I tap on the plus, then you see it will show you here that it is ticked. So once you see that it's ticked, it means it is added on your list. Then you tap on it straightly, or you come here to go back up here, then you go back to your list. Okay, so I will tap on it, you see, then it will open it. Then you come here, this place. Then bingo, here it is. Okay, as you can see, It is here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so when you are on your chart, the first thing you're supposed to know how to do is to draw your support and resistance lines. You cannot be a trader without knowing what support and resistance lines means. We always explain in our technical training classes that the basics are how to draw your support. That is number one, how to draw your support and resistance lines, because it's very, very helpful. And if you know them, even though without indicators, if you know, and you understand the candles, you are good to go. Okay, so let me remove this indicator because it's closing the chart. Okay, so the support and resistance lines, if you want to know the details, you can also get it on the Revolution, our main Revolution group YouTube channel. I repeat, the Crypto Revolution YouTube channel, or my main channel that is called Aminata Crypto World, because as Royal Q community, we used to help each other to at least not even say professional to become a professional trader, but to at least know how to catch the fish and eat it, so that you will not depend on anybody. So let me go slowly here. I will skew my screen here. So when you skew your screen, okay, you see I'm zooming it. You see, large skews is like you are using your phone. So you put one finger here, one finger here. If you are a beginner, sometimes it's very difficult. So don't give up. Don't give up, because you need money to feed your family or to eat. So if you know how to do it, you can decide, let me go in the market and look for $20. Let me go in the market and look for $10 to spend, because I know how to trade. Okay, so you skews like this, east to west. Then if you want to make it long and short, you put one finger here, one finger here. There are two fingers. You skews it, you wide it. You see, skews, wide, skews, wide, skews. East and west, which is left, right, wide skews, wide skews. So if you are putting the candles, if you want to check your chart clearly, don't let the candles go and hide back. No, I mean here, don't let the candles go and hide back, because the market moves from left to your right side, left to your right side, okay, like ABCD. So you have to see the end of the candle, which is the current candles, here. So the candles must be here in the center of your screen, not hiding them there, okay? And if you want to draw properly your lines, don't let them be like this. You have to see them like that. You have to see the V and the W, you see, which is the major point here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. You have to see the zigzagger well, properly. Okay, so let's give it a try here. I do north and south. I shift it back here, then I make it properly. Okay, I hope you are seeing my screen like this, something like this. So you can use the candles to draw your lines, or you can also use the lines to draw it, to know the different places, the different major areas. Okay, so to make it very easy for you, we will go and use what we call lines. So you come here, I think you come on this chart here. Sorry, you come on these three dots here. So you tap there, then you scroll down, you will see what we call chart type. Here, chart type, okay? So let's type on the chart. Then you will see group of candles, group of lines, group of bars, group of, how do you call it, line with markers. You have to know how to use every tool that is on your chart, ladies and gentlemen. By trying them, you have nothing to lose. If you don't try, you cannot know how it works. So If you want your tools to appear on your screen, which is up here for you to not go and look for them, then you have to press them, pin them, and star it. By putting the star, it means you are putting it in your favorite. So anything that you want to use on your TradingView chart, you make sure to put the star. So how do you put the star? Let's give it a try. For example, let's go on KG here. Okay, so you press your finger like you are doing copy and paste, then it will tell you add to favorite. Then you add on the star. I hope I'm loud and clear. So my co-host, sorry. If maybe you are not hearing me, just remind me, then I will come back and open the mic or come back in the Zoom. Thank you. So you take the star. So you see, I have star it. I put the star. It must be in yellow or black, depending on your screen chart. Like you select dark chart or the one with lights like this. Okay, so you start it. So here we are going to take what we call the lines. The lines, here is it, the lines. So if you use it finished and you want to come back to the previous one, which is maybe the candles, then you come to this place and you type on whatever candle or whatever line you are using. So I will type on the line. Then you see the line will show you, it will show you the where you can see maybe something like the V's, okay? Something like the V's. Let me use 4 hours time frame. Then you excuse it like this, okay? So you can use it to draw your line. So the lines that you need to draw is what we call the support and the resistance. So you see here, as I excuse it, it's giving me the proper view on the higher high of the coin and the lowest low. Higher high means the highest area, which is here. And the lowest area must be lower than the current price. I hope that is clear. Let me check in the chat whether we are together. Can you drop me some yes in the chat or some one in the chat if you are following, please? Oh, sorry, I forgot to make you co-host. Let me see. Let me see in the chat whether, let me see in the chat. I will make my training co-host. Okay. Okay, here. No, make co-host. Okay. So do shall co-host Aminata others. Yeah, there. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, so now my training, you are my co-host. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me see in the chat. Are you following? Are you understanding? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. If you don't understand, it's like you are in school. If you don't understand what the teacher is saying, you are welcome, my dear. You have to let the teacher know. Then he will maybe make it properly understanding for you to get it. So we are learning here. We are like in the crypto school. So if you don't understand, don't be shy. We will help you understand it. Okay. Thank you. So let's go. So when you draw your lines, when you put the lines, it will show you the proper vision on the proper view. I mean on your chart. So here we are using 4 hours time frame. Okay. Why am I using 4 hours time frame? If you are a trader and you want to make your technical analysis, you use the bigger time frame to know or to get a big overview, a big vision, or a big general vision on the asset that you are following. Then you later use the smallest time frame to make your decisions of entries, which is buying or selling. Entries or exit. Entry means buy, to invest your money. Exit means to sell it off or to take your profit and walk out from the market. Okay, so we are going to use this here. Let's misuse it. So you have to know that the market goes from left to right, like ABCD, left to right. This session will be made in different steps, okay? Different steps from how to draw your support and resistance line to how to add your indicators and how to really get your confirmations and your confidence of maybe I want to pick this coin, I want to go in it, and it will give me my results like 9% over 10%, which is 9 to 10%. I don't mean the percentage, I mean 9 over 10, it will sell for you. Okay, so all what you need is to get the patience, or else maybe if bad news or good news, something happened, then I can say it will affect uh, the market and maybe go in the wrong direction for you. But in majority of the cases, if you know your support and resistance lines, how to draw them, you understand each candle, the candles, either the bullish, the bearish, or the dojis, which are the warning candles that will warn you and tell you here is this, you can go or you cannot go. Okay, so let's go step by step. So here, according to this chart, I'm going to draw my highest level. Okay, so let's do it at, let me see, will not too much go too far. Okay, so let's say something is blocking me here. Something is blocking me here. Let me see, just a minute. Okay, it's okay. So here, we are going to take this place. We are going to do at this area. Okay, here. Sorry for that. Here, like this area here. Okay, this area here. So when we say support and resistance line, it means you want to know in the past of the coin, because here is the present and this side is the future. So you want to know, according to the past, according to the present, what was the highest area of this coin and what was the lowest area? Why? Because crypto always repeats what it did in the past. The history always repeats itself. If this coin was very high here, meaning if it was high here, made me get profit, more profit here, and today it is down there, it means in its coming future, it will definitely go to the same level here or even do more better than this place. I hope it is clear. I will repeat it once again. By drawing support and resistance lines is to compare and know, according to this present here, what was the highest level of my asset and what was the lowest level. That is why on every chart, either TradingView or an exchange, which is Binance, HCS, the exchanges where we buy and sell our cryptos, or on our Royal Q application, which is our wonderful robot that we are using, you always see that the chart that will be on your phone or in front of you will be showing you what we call the zigzag. Why this zigzag? Because traders that are in the crypto industry, is not only crypto industry, any business, which is financial market business, when some are buying, some will be selling. When some are selling, some will be buying. So if some are buying and the buyers that are buying are more than the sellers, then the asset will go up. But if the sellers are selling and there are many, there are plenty than the buyers, then the value will go down. So it's called, in another language, how do you call it? Demand and supply. Demand means people are demanding this particular thing, this particular property. Is it a house? Is it crypto? Is it a flight ticket? So if they are demanding, it means the people that are demanding are more than the quantity that it is in the market. So it will become automatically expensive. Okay? Something like playing. You want to travel. We have the highest season, which is our vacations time, which is between August, July, and June. People travel plenty. They travel well for holidays. So the more people are demanding for the flight tickets, the companies would now be doing shakara because there are less. There are less tickets. So it means the price will go up. So it is everywhere in every market, either gold, financial, crypto, or whatever it is. Okay. So in the same opposite way, if the supply is plenty, it means if everybody is deciding to sell his or her property, people that are using that asset or that property, if they are selling, it means your neighbor is selling, this one is selling, this one is selling. So your own that you have in your possession, you are also forced to sell because the value will be going down. So customers that are maybe demanding, they see that it is plenty everywhere. So they can discount the price for it to go down. So it will automatically go down. That's the reason why they say in crypto, you cannot predict or you cannot fix a fixed percentage or profit that you will be getting daily basis, a fixed profit. No. For example, let me break it down. For example, this asset, which is crypto, tomorrow Monday the price will be 100,000. Tuesday the price will still be 100,000. Sunday, Saturday, Friday the price will be 120. So if I buy it on Sunday, Friday, Saturday, I'll get this fixed percentage. No, it doesn't make sense because you that you are buying, you don't know the person who is deciding to sell at the other side of the world, whether he will also sell or buy like you. Okay, so that is why you're supposed to draw your support and resistance line. So when you draw them in the future coming, the price can also go at the same area here. Or if you decide to go down, then your past, the support that you draw in the past, it will go and touch there before going back up. Okay, so let's go for the marker. We type here, then we tap on a pencil, okay? And we go for what we call the lines. So you will see your screen like this. That's why they say, if we are doing the Zoom, you have to be coming and learn. It doesn't mean that you are a new person or you are a newcomer in the crypto industry. No. The reason why we repeat and repeat and repeat since 2021 is all the application that we are using in our business, which is crypto trading. Either Binance, the exchanger, Royal Q, or TradingView, or even CoinMarketCap, they always upgrade, put updates. So sometimes, maybe if you don't come on your application for maybe a while, maybe 2, 3 months or 4 months, when you come back, you will see that there are changes. Maybe this drawing supposed to be here, but when you come in 3 or 6 months, it will change and go another place or somewhere else. So when the trainers are saying come, it means you have to be coming always and be familiar to your application. If not, you will be loose. Then when you don't see it, you don't come in Zoom, you go in people inbox asking them for help. And if you fall on people with bad intention, then they will put you in something else and you will regret it. You will regret it because everybody don't have the good intention like we have it here. Some people take always opportunity and advantage on people who come and ask for assistance or help. Then they will show you their real faces. Okay, so let's go. So when you come here, for you to make it short, you can choose to look for it manually or you look for it here. You see, they short it for you. They say tools, trend lines, gain, and Fibonacci. All the tools, if you need them, the group of the tools, you tap on any one of these. Take your time. If you don't see it, you tap on the next. If you don't see it here, you tap on the next. Then once you see it, you see the tool that you need, you put it in favorite. So now we are going to use what we call the lines. So it's telling you that trend lines, it means anything that is line, you can get it here. Anything that is line, you can get it there. So you tap on trend lines, then you see the family of the lines. Okay, so the one that you use, you put star always, as you see here. I have starred them here, you see. So why must you put it in? Why must you put the star? You put the star because by putting the star, it will be easy for you to get it. So once you come on the chart, on the group of the tool that you want to use, it will automatically be in front of you instead of going and looking for it manually down there. Remember, crypto doesn't wait for anybody. It will not wait for you and say, because in the Aminata, you are looking for this tool. So as I want to, maybe as I want to increase or I want to go up, I will wait for Aminata to come and see the tool before I go up. No. So you have to always be ready and be smart. Okay, so here we type on the tool. We are going to use what we call the horizontal line. When we tap on it, then we come here to the highest level. Let me excuse it here. To the highest level, you see, shows you here, which is the major areas. You tap on it. Then you can change your color and personalize it. So anything high, for me, anything high, I put green. And anything down, I put red. So you come here and you tap on the pencil here to personalize it. Now on this place, you see it shows you 2px. It means, do you want it to be big on your screen, or you want small line, or you want large? Then you come here and you put it according to what you want. So me, I'm going to the pencil and I put the color that I want. So you see there is a table of color. Then you choose whatever color it is, the color that you are comfortable with. So me, I like green. It means anything that is up is green so that it matches with the bullish candles. Then anything down is red, matches with the bearish candle. So the first, how do you call it? Resistance line. Then you can draw as many as possible. So your main resistance line is the one that major resistance line is the one that will be higher high. It means your last level up and your last level down. So it means for you, you the trader, the asset that you are on it, if anytime it goes down and it touch your support lines and it couldn't break it down and play in between the upper line, which is the resistance and the support, then the upper line will become your main resistance and the lower line will become your main support line. Okay? Then you can draw the small ones in between the main one, the main support and the main resistance. You draw the small ones inside where you'll be taking your profit from one line to another line, from one line to another line. Either you are a future trader or you are a spot trader. From one line to another line, it means if the candle come from here and touch this place, if it's moving from the support line going up, it means it will go and touch the resistance. So my take profit must be measured in between where the current price is to the next line. So if I take my profit and if the robot sells for me, I will wait. I will not just go and enter again or entry, make the which the how do you call it? If you don't control your emotions, then you end up in floating loss. Once your take profit is heated, wait for a breakout candle. If you see a bullish candle going up, then it means it will go and touch your next line. The same way, the opposite way, if you are a future trader. If I measure my profit from the upper line, and I'm expecting it to touch the down line, which is the down one is my take profit. Then if I take my profit, I will relax, I'll put that. Then I'll be following it, I'll be checking. If it breaks this line again and I see bearish candle, it means it will go and touch it until it hits my main support line. Okay, it's very, very simple. Or else, if you don't want to take your time to learn it, so let me delete all this. Let me delete all this. Now, I have put one main resistance line. I'm going again to put another one. I use the line and I put it somewhere here. You see here. Are you seeing it? This place. I tap on it. You can put as many as possible. I'm using it again. Then I put it here. Okay. I put it here. Okay. So when you put it there, then you are going to look for the lowest area according to this place, because this is the current price of the coin. It means this place means this is where the price of the coin is. You see that it's showing you something like alert. Are you seeing that something like alert? It is telling you this is where the price is. So if you want to know how much is this coin, then you follow this something that is shiny here, the line, the small dot to this place. You see, so the line is purple color. So you see here, the box is also purple color, okay, which is violet. So up here is the current price of this asset called XRP. You see, and down here is the counting bar, because on your chart, each candles appears each hour according to the hour that you put, the time frame that you put. If you are using 4 hours, it means the next candle, for it to appear, you have to wait 9 minutes and 20, which is 18 seconds. It means the next candle that will appear here, either is up or down, it will appear in 9 minutes and 8 seconds. So you see the counting bar here that is counting here. Okay, so this is the current price. So if you want to draw your support line, you don't need to draw it where the current price is here, because by drawing it here, it doesn't make sense. You don't know where the coin is going. So you have to look for the past of this current price, the lowest area in the past. What was the lowest area comparing to this place? So you shift your screen, you go back, you shift it back, you shift it back, you shift it back, you shift it back until you will fall on the how do you call it, on the lowest area. So by shifting it back, which is back here, you will be following this price here, the line. Okay, so you are looking for a line that is lower than this line. So let's go. Okay, so you see, the more you are going back, the more it will be showing you the past, the lowest or the higher. So you see, compare it to here, to this line here, these places are lower than here. Then you come and draw your how do you call it? You start drawing your support lines. So you put one here, you can put one here, you can put one here, and also another one here. So let's give it a try. Let's go. You choose it small here. Then you go for the pencil, you tap on it, and you put it. The lower low here, you tap on it. Then you change the color. Then you put red. Okay? It's up to you. Why am I saying you have to be putting the color of each line? Because when you change the time frame, the lines will change the directions. Sometimes when you draw maybe resistance line here or support line, once you put it in the lower time frame, the resistance will become the support, and the support also will become the resistance. So if you put the line, then anytime you change the time frame, you will see yourself, because it is a market where you are going to put your money. So you have to be very, very serious about what you are doing. If you take it as a joke, then it will give you joke money. Okay, so another support, then you squeeze it. The more you are squeezing it, once it's going down, widen it, you will see it clearly. Okay, this area also you can put another support here. So once we put this one, then we stop it there. Okay, you see it here, bingo. Then we put it in red. Now, after putting all your support and resistance, you will come and put it back to the candles. Okay, I tap here, Then I'm going to put this candles called the Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, or is it the type? Then I'm putting the Heikin Ashi candles. I'm looking for it. Where is it? You look for it slowly. Let's see whether I'll get it. Okay, here is it, the Heikin Ashi candles. So I put it there. Okay, then let me see on the chart whether the candles are there. Sometimes it's difficult when you are putting your how do you call it? Your things on your chart, but don't give up. Okay. Just give me some few minutes. Now it's giving me a headache. Okay, great. I'm done now. Okay, so you see, guys, are you seeing? So putting the line to draw, it's like when you put back the candles, the line respects your how do you call it? Your lines that you draw. You see here. So here again, you can also draw what we call another resistance. So let's put one line here, resistance line here, somewhere here. If you are putting it, you put it either at the end of the body, up or down. The support must be at the end of the body of the candle. We have the wick and we have the body. This is the body and the wick, okay? So you come here, somewhere here, and you put it there. So I'm putting one line here, somewhere here, okay? Then I put it on green color. Okay, great, hands up. So now we have put our support and resistance lines. So in our next class, we will learn how to identify the candles. These candles, what does it mean? This one, what does it mean? If I see it on my chart, does it mean that the market is going to go up or is going to come down? Does it mean that it is warning me about the, how do you call it? French says uncertain, which is something that is not sure, something that is not sure. That is what we call the consolidation. It means buyers and sellers, they are on the same balance. So we don't know whether who will take control, who will take over. Are the buyers going to take over or are the sellers going to take over? So those candles, we have to also know them. So you can get them on the Revolution, the Crypto Revolution YouTube channel made by, I think, our colleague leader, Mopiwa. Okay? So if you know how to draw your support and resistance line, you must also know each candle. If I see this candle, even without any lines and with only, how do you call it? An indicator or two indicators, I know that the market is going to this direction or is going to that direction. Okay, so today we have drawn the line, the support and resistance line. So in our next session, we are going to learn the candles. We are going to understand each candles, not to learn them because the learning class has been made. So if you want to maybe prepare yourself, then get it on the how do you call it? The record video on the revolution of crypto, how do you call it? The Royal Q revolution. That's what I mean. So my co-host can drop the YouTube link here. Then you go and look for it. Okay. So as you can see here, the lines are drawn here. So you see the candles, what they are doing. From one line, let's say, for example, here, it went up. You see, it touched this place. It couldn't go up there. And started going down. It couldn't neither touch here. They went back up to this main place and now start falling. So you see, as it falls here, it has braked this line going down. So now you will go and check the previous lower line and see which side was it. So that if you are a future trader using this, how do you call it, trading on this asset, then it means the coin is going to touch the line here. You have to understand it. You will understand it that it is a downtrend. You can position yourself on short and take your cool 1%. Okay. So you see the support line, it breaks it. It's not going up. It means it's continue going down and it will go down. So for you to make sure of your decision, then you apply what we call the indicators to get the confirmation, which is the strong confirmation, and make your good profit. So I hope you have learned and you understand the support, the rule and the how do you call it, the importance by drawing. It is a must. It is a must for every trader to know how to draw the support and resistance line. That must be your first crypto class after putting this application on your phone. Okay, you cannot jump support and resistance line and say, I'm going for indicators. No, 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 no. It's not possible. So I think I come at the end of this session. The next session will be maybe in the week or next weekend with me. But our colleagues will continue every month, every morning, which is I think 8 o'clock or 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock a.m., which is East Africa time. Okay, so we drop the links. I think 30 minutes or 1 hour before the time. Then we started. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you all the best. I wish you how do you call it, blessed trading, and also wish you super super patience. Thank you very much. We see in the next class. Bye from now. If you have some questions, you can drop it in the chat, or if you don't have any question, then we close the session. Thank you very much, and Viva Royal Q. Is there any question, please? Is there any question, guys? Okay. If there's no question, let me see in the chat. Okay. If there's no question, then we close the Zoom.